I've certainly learned that as a 3PL, we end up working with clients with a lot of different customer bases and order process and order styles. And so the ability to have flexibility to say, oh, we could use this function to do that, or just have that kind of adaptability is definitely important to me to be able to do the growth that I expect to do. And a big part of the growth is adaptability and agility. So when I have, requests from customers and need to know how can I do it, I appreciate that I have access to you guys to help me with that brainstorm process. And, I think the amount of clients and products we have in our warehouse is 3x at least. And prior to SkuVault, it was all manual reading and relied on the staff member to assess and, read the information correctly. And that felt like it was too error prone. And so overall, SkuVault definitely solved the user-friendly aspect that we were looking for. And kind of the whole experience in general, which is a little more friendly. Honestly, even just like the UI, just the visual experience of it is just, it feels more like other apps that I use in my day-to-day life or other programs that I use, and therefore was easier to maneuver and to learn.